designed so beautifully and you get this entire valley view. Okay, so this is the lobby space, well equipped with some indoor games here. I think the rooms are huge. Wow. And now we are approaching our hotel. This is the night view. Wow, it's glowing. Sisters right there. क्या swag में आ रहे हैं जीजू. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be shooting the complete vlog of the Cozy Akon, which is located in Mangoli, Uttarakhand, and it is nearly 20 kilometers from Nainital. And this video will include everything from room tariff to breakfast options, morning view, night view, best photography spots, and all the necessary important informations about this hotel. Here we reach our hotel after 6 hours of long drive from Gurgaon to Mangoli. So this is how the hotel looks from outside. It's beautiful. This is the view from the hotel. And we just checked in and just enjoyed the view. Wow, we have selected the premium valley view room. So I'll tell you the price differs depending आप कितनी पहले बुक कर रहे हो. जैसे हमने अगर आपका vacation already planned and you know it that when are you gonna check in and you are very sure of the check in and the check out dates, why not book it before guys, because price difference बहुत ज़्यादा है. So they have executive hill view balcony room and premium valley view balcony room. So guys, हमने select की थी elite package which included premium valley view balcony room and with that we had a breakfast included with complimentary late checkout. और अभी जो मैंने उनके वेबसाइट में चेक किया है, the price is 9325 which then costed us 4000 rupees. So plan it wise and quick. हाय. वाह माय जीजू. और हम तीनों जैसे कि आपको पता है गुड़गांव से निकल के आ चुके हैं द अकॉन रिजॉर्ट. This is the room. You get this wardrobe, which is quite spacious. Your personal pantry and the washroom. Let's see. Always light control. Yeah. You come out and we get this entire space. I really love this space connected to the room. So you can also have a look at these premium rooms. बस यहाँ पे balcony space थोड़ा कम है and यहाँ पे you get this huge space with this beautiful view. How about the property? You have something to say?
It is amazing.
You have stayed here already.
Yeah, it is
And
amazing. The location is very serene.
yeah,
And even in case you don't want to do anything, you can just sit here and relax and enjoy the
exactly.
view.
And the view, right. Hello. Just love it. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, this property is the perfect property we wanted in Nainital. This is like so beautiful and it's serene. Ooh. So you get your rooms there and then you get this entire balcony space to chill out and have fun, have your tea and enjoy the view. The way to the pool area, I think they should construct something here. Oh god, it's high time a pond should clean this area to the pool. Are you sure this is the pool area? Be careful. ऐसा कैसा pool है? Imagine बात में से भी sound ही नहीं आता। Of course, I don't know. ऐसा condition। So guys, जैसे कि आपको पता है, I'm here to share my honest review always. So the way to the pool area is not at all clean. It's high time to construct it properly because the entire hotel property is beautiful and it's so nicely designed. But I think they should be paying little attention to this area. Very important. Because as you can see, they have highlighted two things: multi-cuisine restaurant and heated swimming pool. So the restaurant is amazing, must say, but the pool area needs to be constructed a little.
और ऊपर नहीं जाना भाई, यही काफ़ी है। अलग ही ट्रैक कर लिया हमने टू द पूल एरिया। However, it's again beautiful this place, but then they should have just constructed the staircase better. Here we are, पहाड़ों के बीच और इन वादियों के बीच ये सुंदर सा पूल। However, a pawn needs to hear this. It's high time you should construct the staircase because it's too steep and काफ़ी मुश्किल हो सकती है क्योंकि elderly लोग आ रहे हैं। Oh, beautiful path. See? This place is constructed nice, but the staircase आप लोग ने देखा, it's difficult to climb up till here. But it's beautiful. Hey! अब नीचे I think हम दोनों का वेट सेम है। प्रेशर डाल। Who is heavier, you or me? I don't need to. Wow.
And now After exploring the complete hotel property, we went for a drive to Nainital and we shopped a lot of stuffs. So I'll make another vlog of Nainital and I'll be sharing a lot of vlogs now because we stayed there for 4 days and we took 2 rooms. Both our rooms were premium valley view balcony rooms and the rooms were amazing. The hygiene is nicely maintained. You can call for cleaning anytime in a day and you get the toiletries, everything that you want. You can ask for in-room dining service during the breakfast and also for dinner. You can also try Chashiri. It's right in front of the hotel and you have 2 to 3 more restaurants there. I hope you liked the video. If yes, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment and get ready for more such vlogs. Bye guys.